Hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Okay, so I'm not going to introduce myself this time, so let's go straight to the screen. Okay, right now, so we are going to start the designing. Okay, and I hope by now you have the resources. Mine is here, I have it here. I can then extract here just to get access to the files. Okay, good. And let's see template. Now this one. Okay, so let's go to new. Okay, good. Okay, good. This is good. Okay, good. So we are going to continue. Good. And then let's see. Let me first make this one large here. Okay, so I just want to see the content. Okay, so now things are ready. Now let's proceed. So first of all, let's look at the sample one. Okay, so this one, the container, it has been divided into two. We have where we have the text and the picture. So I'm going to select the same container. I'll click here and click on the first one. So I'll go for this one. Oh, I think I've already added one, so I have to delete that. Okay, so you can just click the structure here, and this is the first container. I can just this one has let me remove this so I can delete that. So now we have this container. Okay, I can now remove this. Good. And this is what I'm going to do. Here, weight, I will go for VH. Okay, let me see. I don't know why I cannot see that, but let me click it again. So we have another one called VH. Okay, I'm lost. So let me go back to pixels. Okay, yes. So rather I use this one, the height. So the height, select the height and select the VH, then make sure you open it to 100%. That is 100%. Okay, good. And that's it. Okay, so after that, then let's click here. We will click here the background type. So we will go for the yellow color. This yellow color. Okay, this is a light one, not this one. Okay, I don't know. I don't know why. Okay, so let me push this one. Come on. Let me push this one up. Okay, so that's when I click. So I can see the. Okay, let me go up. Wow. Okay, so let me try and minimize this. I don't know why I cannot see all the. Okay, good. So now it has come. Okay, so I want to go with this one. Okay, so that's it. Why? Okay, I think I have to do something first. Let's come back here. You see there is a gap. Let me try and refresh. Let's go to the front end. And you can see that there's a gap. Okay, I know the reason. So the first thing that we need to do, first click here, the page settings, then here, hide title, you select that, page layout, then you select Elementor full width. That's the reason why. So let's update here. After that, come back here and refresh the page. You see that things are now okay, good. So we have that. Now let's come back here again. Now we will locate image elements. Okay, so we'll pick this the image element and drop it here. I will click here, this, and then I will come back here, center, click that so that it will fall at the center. Okay, good. Now after that, let's click here, click on the image element, come and click here, just go to upload image, select file. Okay, now let's go to the folder where I have the materials. I want to make it bold so that I can see all the content. So I want to go with this one. Okay, so let me open it again. So this one, okay, I'll select that. You see with this one there's a gap here. I want to remove that gap, so you have to edit. Then let's wait. You go to crop, then we can just push this one to this end. Then this one you can even leave it. Okay, the front one is okay, but the back one, let's go to apply the crop, save the edits. Then you see select here, it has been added. Good. So I can now update here, publish that. Let's come back here and refresh the page. Okay, and it's looking amazing. Let me look at this one. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay, so let us proceed. Let's see. And this one is okay. Good. So now things are okay. Now we have to add this text. Good. Sorry here. So be fashionable. So I'll select that, come back here, click on the plus icon just to have access to the element. Select the page heading, put it, drop it there. I'll remove that and paste that. Okay, right now I just want to have it as left align. Oh, come on, this one. Just click on the text and click left. Oh, why? Okay, first let's click here first. Click on this here, come back here and select that. Okay, so now let's click here and select. I don't know why it is here. Okay, I don't know, I don't understand. So let me publish that and come back here and refresh the page. I don't know why it's supposed to fall here. Wow. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Let me refresh the page. Okay, so now let's come back here, click on that again. This time let me change the color and see. So I will change it to white. So why is it that trying to bring it here is not working? None of this is not working at all. And okay, I will use CSS to change it. So let's proceed. Or definitely we will change it. Let me make it like 40 and let's see. Okay, so this size is around 50. So let me make it 50. Okay, so that is the 50. Okay, good. And then let me update it. Let me come back here and refresh the page. No, I think okay, so right now I think it's okay, but I'm still don't understand. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think the gap here and here are the same, so it's okay. Yeah, I think so. And this one is wide than I think the size are not the same, so let's proceed. Okay, good. So let's come back here, and this one I want to reduce this, make it like 60. But yet I don't know what is going on. Okay, I don't know why this one is not working, but let's proceed. Later I'll find a way to do that. So the next, I'll click the plus icon and select text editor here, drop it here. Okay, now I have to change it to white. Okay, I'm not asking you to use the text, you have to describe it, just write something under it. Okay, yeah, I didn't want to waste a lot of time trying to come out with something catchy. Okay, that's why I left it like that. Okay, but as a professional website designer, you have to make sure that your online websites, all the text, pictures, everything are on point. Okay, good. So let's come back here and then let's see. Okay, so this one is too small. Like, we can click here and make it like 17. Okay, and 17 is okay. I can just click the plus icon again, select this one that is there. Okay, good. And what is there? Let me click here, shop now. So I can click here, instead of click, I want to put shop now. Okay, there. And we are going to style it. So let's come back to star. Star is where we try to modify things with colors and all sorts of things. Okay, so here, when you look at this one, sorry, this one is red. So I will come here, the color here, this one background color. So under this one, let me click that again, select this, and let's select our red color. And you see it's too small. So come to pattern here, uncheck this. Let's make here 15, top 15, this side 35. Yes, remove the 0, and here to 35. Sorry, not that place. So that part is 15. So top 15, bottom 15, right 35, left 35. Okay, good. And I want to make this one like 40. Okay, and here to 40. This one, let me make it like 18 is okay, and here to 18. Let me check this one and bring it back to 100. Okay, good. And I can just publish that. So I can just come back here and refresh the page, and let's see what we have done so far. Good. But still, you see there's a gap here. I don't know why it cannot go, but maybe later I will find a way to do that. I don't know. In fact, I don't get it. Okay, so far so good. This test is too short. I can just add something to it. Okay, and don't make it too short and not too long. Okay, yes, because this is your landing page. I suppose to be something good. Okay, good. So let me publish that, and now we have this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you see the button it looks different here. So here, let's do something here. Let's perform magic here. Click on the button again, come to hover, and here background type. Here we will select black. Okay, but I will click here and select 001 so that I'll have a deep black. Okay, that is good. Now let's go down here. When you look at this one, you see it's something different. Okay, I don't know how to describe it, but let's come back here. I want to have the same here. So box shadow, just click that. You see it's now okay. So I want this one to get close to the text. I will select here, or I can click here, go to advanced, and then under margin here, uncheck this and click negative. Just go to down here. When you click the top one, it will give you positive, and which means that it will put this one down, but we want this one to get close to the text. So you can just, I think it's okay, and publish that. Now after that, we have to make sure that it's responsive on all the devices. Okay, yes, let me see, let me check my time. Okay, 40 minutes. So I have to make sure that it's responsive. Okay, already I'm working on this one, so this one is all, the desktop is already responsive. Let's come back to laptop, and this is the laptop. I can just close here to check the laptop, and I think this one is too close to that part. So this one I'm going to do, you see I won't be able to click, so I will come back here and click on this one, then you click the top container. After that, come here, advanced, and then pattern here, uncheck this, put 50 here and put 50 down. Okay, and think let me make it about 70, and I think it's okay. Let me remove that. Okay, so it's okay now. I'll publish that. Okay, so far so good. Let's see, and I think it's looking good. Okay, so it's looking good. We will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.